How to create 3D AI images of a bodybuilder while using Bing. Firstly, open any browser and search bing.com. Now go to the search bar and type AI image creator. Click on the first link, Image Creator for Microsoft Designer. Now you can see this screen. You can create a Microsoft account with Gmail. Now enter the prompt on the search bar. Click on Create. Preview the images. Now make some changes to the prompt. Change the name and then click on Create. I will provide the prompts in the description. Wait to generate the images. Here is the result. Wait for the result. Click to preview the images. You can edit these prompts easily. You can download these images in one click. That's it. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.